Hello, it's Lawyer Blaze, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to access your OPAY account through USSD using that line you registered the OPAY account with. I know most persons don't know that apart the OPAY mobile app, you can still access your OPAY account and do your transfer, change your PIN, check your account balance. But today I'm going to show you. All you just need to go to your phone, that's *955# being it that the SIM card you registered that OPay account is on that particular phone, whether it's a smartphone or your small button phone. Dial the code *955, hit send. For me, it's SIM1. Now you're going to wait for the feedback. Now, behold, OPay beyond banking you have from transfer, airtime, and data, your utility bill, betting, and electricity balance, account balance. So let's select next. To see the other options we have on the other end, I press 0 and I hit send, and I have what? Withdraw, OPay card, West B, refer and earn, pay. So this is how you access your OPay account through USSD. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful, and don't forget to try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.